Right, so the final special case wine. This is a beautiful Nebbiolo. We are in Piemonte, in the northwest of Italy, in the area where Barolo is, and these big historic wines that we all know and love. This is a subtle smasher. So this is young vines, juicy, fresh. I just had a little sip of it before, and it is dry and kind of palate cleansing at the same time as being super textured and super kind of serious. Serious but light, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is really elegant. It's got lots of clean, fresh fruit, kind of a little bit kind of foresty, a little bit wild as well. You can feel like, you know, kind of imagine yourself like literally in a forest floor, and all those little sticks and brambles and all the different scents and smells that you're surrounded by. This to me has that kind of feeling. It's a serious wine, but it's actually so beautiful, so beautifully perfumed. The more that you have it in your glass, the more the perfume is going to come out, and you just keep coming back to it and keep giving it a little sniff every so often. Yeah, it's got like a really deep, kind of even a little bit like churchy feel to it. So that kind of polish and that wood. It hasn't been overly oaked or anything. It's rested in neutral oak for a while, but it's got some sort of like kind of austere edge to it. So this is it's really good. This is just really elegant. This is a really special wine. This definitely is worth being in the special case. It's from one of the longest vintages, I think, in history in the region. Like, so the grapes, the plants like budded super crazy early, and then the whole season ran to really late. So it's quite a interesting and kind of historic wine in that sense, and it's actually had time to mature on the vines in a very slow manner. So it's a serious player. I would definitely enjoy this and savor every sip. Not one to be nicking, one to be, you know, enjoying and tasting and talking about and coming back to and seeing how the different scents and how the different flavors change in your mouth. Yeah, for sure. Good food wine, of course. This is a classic. It's going to go well with charcuteries, light meats, cured meats, rich cheeses, a lot of things actually, like rices, risottos, stews. I can't think of anything that it would really go that badly with. Definitely worth it. Definitely a good one to finish the special case with.